How to get this motion effect. Start a new project. Click on Elements and search for flower. Go to Graphics option. Select a flower and make a few copies as shown. Change the color of the background to green. Select all the flowers and right-click to align flowers and then tidy them to spread evenly. Duplicate the selected flowers. Select the top row and click on the animate button as shown and click rotate. Now select the bottom layer of flowers and animate them to wiggle. This is what you will get.